Hello everyone, I'm Layman with Milgard Windows and Doors. Today, we're in our engineering center and we're going to show you how to assemble a factory Delta Mull. The factory Mull comes pre-assembled, so the first step is to install the top Delta Mull bracket on the interior side of the window. Then install the bottom bracket. You are now ready to install the window into the opening. We recommend 2 people for this step due to the weight of the windows. Do any shimming as necessary and secure the nailing fin to the opening.